Well, hello there, YouTube. If you don't remember, if you watch my oil change video, see if I can sit this up on a stand. You watch my oil change video, you see how dirty that was in there? And I just took it out and washed it. And the only thing I did was spray super clean all over this thing. And it was just, got a little dust on there still, but look how it took all that grime off there. It was just grimy. This was just totally grimy. And look how clean it is. All I did was hose it off. So I sprayed the whole thing with super clean. Now I have my shiny wheels now. I just getting all cleaned up before I put it on the trailer and haul it on our trip. So it's nice and clean now. Bye.